Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up. Today we're unboxing the Yale and August Connect kit. This is the Assure Lock SL key-free touchscreen deadbolt. It comes with an iPhone app as well as an Android app if you'd like it to work with that. You can use it with Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and it works with Google Assistant as well. And it's Wi-Fi based. So to do the Wi-Fi, here's the connected kit for the August system. So inside here is a simple module that you plug into the wall, and it transmits Bluetooth to Wi-Fi, so you can use that from anywhere in the world basically. That's always cool. So that's the Connect kit, and then now we're going to get inside the big box. So this all comes in one box. So that was welcome documentation. This right here is the piece that is the touch keypad for outside. So that's very nice looking. And that lights up when it's plugged in. And then going further inside, there's a lot of kit involved in this. There's 4 batteries in there. And then there's mounting hardware for your wall right there. So various metal pieces. And then the biggest piece, this part, so here we go. This is a locking mechanism right here, and this piece comes off and it attaches to this piece right here. So this is the Assure Lock SL, works with the August Connect kit, and it works with various voice assistants. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter.